Alright, get ready DJ in 3, 2, 1. Let's sing together guys. Happy birthday to you. Mas malamos. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday, happy birthday. One more. Happy birthday to you. Come on, you may kasama naman palakpak yung may energy. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Sabay-sabay. Thank you so much. Now on, Mami Daddy. I count 1, 2, 3 and then blow the candle with Larkin. In 3, 2, 1, blow. Yay! Palakpak naman! Guys, sinunod na naman si Larkin. Say, happy birthday, Larkin! Alright, Sir DJ, pakinggan mo na siyempre, Mami Daddy. Dahil nagsaselebrate po ng second birthday si Larkin, hopefully hindi po mawawala yung inyong birthday wish para sa inyong baby boy na si Larkin dahil nagsaselebrate po sa kanya na second birthday. Kaya kapakinggan natin yung parents si Larkin ha. I think unahin muna natin si... Sir, meron po ba tayo ano dyan? Sakit po. Okay ba?
Ayan o, sa kabila. Ayan.
I think si Daddy muna yung mauna for our birthday wish to Larkin.
Oh, thank you, my birthday wish. Siguro, for both of us parents na lang din, since he's only 2 years old, so we make the wish on behalf of Baby Lark. As mentioned earlier in the prayer of Luke, we are very thankful. First, we're thankful to God for this wonderful day. And for as parents, for Baby Lark, our first and foremost wish is health. Of course, Larkin's health, we're grateful of his very good health, and also for his we wish for him to have more friends. Obviously, he's very happy with all the things here. We wish for Larkin to have lots of friends, and for Mommy and Nila. That's all.
Alright. Palakpakan naman natin yung parents si Larkin, si Mami Daddy. Kaya one more ma'am. Photo pictorial muna kayo. For Daddy Shark, Baby Shark, Jessie. Alright. DJ, play that music. Alright. Take a picture.
Hindi na tumingin. Hindi na tumingin.
Alright! Happy birthday sa'yo, Larkin! Siyempre, thank you so much din sa ating mga special guest today na si Daddy Shark, Baby and Jessie. Kaya palakpakan naman ulit natin sila, guys. And then, guys, say bye-bye for here. Say bye-bye! Alright! Thank you so much, guys. Ayan, siyempre. Ayan, thank you so much din ka naman, Daddy. And then, happy birthday sa'yo, Larkin! Say bye-bye muna kayo for our guests. Ayan. Okay.